it's Bibi. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. So in today's video, I am doing the part 2 of the unboxing of the wonderful goodies that Pam Van Eem, my wonderful friend here on YouTube, had shared with me. So if y'all missed part 1, I would definitely suggest that y'all go over there and see that video first. We are now on the part 2 because she sent so many goodies, and I want to go ahead and split it up in 2 videos for you guys. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and continue seeing all of the wonderful, amazing goodies that she sent. Also, she does have an Etsy shop where she sells wonderful journals, and if y'all want one of them, y'all have to jump on them fast because they do sell out. So very inspirational. And she also has thrifting hauls and lots of wonderful content where she'll show you how to do wonderful crafts with her. So be sure and check out her channel. Follow her on Etsy. All right, let's go ahead and jump right in. I see some wonderful envelopes here. A cute little paper baggie. Great for altering, making it however I want. Oh, look at this speckled paper. I love when they have speckles like this. It almost gives it that handmade look. Some more envelopes here. Several envelopes. They are great for crafting with or sending out happy mail. Either or. A vintage picture. A page here from a book. Look at those elephants. Oh, love it. And these little kids looking out the window. Some bird, a bird page here. All right, I'm back. I do have a 4-year-old, so every now and then I have to tend to him and see. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. I saw her looking through some of the books that she had thrifted not too long ago as well, and these are gonna look fantastic in an Asian journal. I will definitely have to set those aside. I cannot wait to make one like that. This sweet little baby boy with his puppy. That is such a cute little dog. So super cute. Lots of wonderful pages to play with, lots of stuff to embellish and alter. Look at this. This is perfect for like maybe a bohemian journal, so that's another good one. All of these are good ones. Their closet, look at this. Some interactive pages for maybe a journal. Oh, Pumbaa! I love Pumbaa. And Timon, yes please. Check this out. This is like for cooking. Another for cooking journal. Some more cooking stuff. Ooh, what did I see? Golden peach plate. Pear cheese salad. Interesting. Look at these birds. How gorgeous are those? We have some vegetable and herb pages here. A basket flower. You shared so much, Pam. You shouldn't have. Oh my word. Oh look, and she's already had this folded, so that can maybe be a little flip out in a book. And this is Peter Rabbit, I think, correct? If I'm wrong, please let me know. Very cute. Some map page. Look at this with the different zones. Yes, look at those flowers. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Perfect for a botanic. An Edith Holden page. You sweetheart. Here we have Jack and the Beanstalk, where he's traded a cow or something, right? In exchange for some beans. Look at this. Some more flowers and stuff. And these folks gathered around that massive flower. I wonder what's going on there. Oh, look, this is great for a fall or an autumn journal. Some coloring pages. Oh yes, so like this looks like Mandela. I don't know if I'm saying that properly. Another one for the Bohemian journal. Yes. ¿Qué es esto? Oh my word, she sent me like planner, some planner goodies here. Well, y'all can kind of see them from here, but y'all can see some little for note taking and stuff like that. Reminders. That's very pretty. Love the colors. Here we have some more book pages. to educate on how you can help your plants grow and stuff. The Farmer and His Sons, that would be great for like the one to go with the beanstalk one. You know, like a children's storybook. The Man and the Satire. Oh my gosh, these pages are so huge. That is a huge, huge page. Look at these foxes. The fox without a tail. Oh, that's kind of sad. And then here we have, if we open it up to the mischievous dog, the rose and the butterfly, the shepherd and the lion. Wow, those are huge pages. I love that. Let me go ahead and put this back just the way I had it so it fits perfectly. I'll be right back. All right, I am back and I got it put all together now. Let's see what else Pam blessed me with. Oh, look how cute. This says Tomorrow Adventures in an Uncertain World by Bradley Trevor Grief. I hope I said that right. I love that penguin. That is so cute. Look at this. Oh, there was a little note for whoever had it. I was impressed with you the moment I met you in PM. What I was unprepared for was an exceptional partner. Cut out. I ended up getting a phone call, but they say I can't read that. Collaborator, teacher, and friend. You would become as you carry the transformation torch forward. Keep pages 89 and 97 in men. I can't tell. Balance. Until next time, Jen. Let's see 89 and 97. I want to be nosy. 89. Let's see 89. What? No matter what brilliant answers you have for life's important questions, ultimately what counts is that you break through the fears and doubts that hold you back and take action. Look at this pig. It's kind of cute, huh? Okay, and 97. Let's see what message. 97. Oh, I opened it right up. Look at this bear's booty. Take time out to enjoy the view. I like this person's personality. That is so funny. How cute. These are some wonderful pages in here. That is so cool. Doesn't that look like it's smiling? How sweet. Kind of creepy though. How cute are those pictures? Oh, look. Look at these monkeys. How precious. Smoking's bad for you, sir. That is such a cute book. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what's next. It looks like postcards almost. Let's see what this, oh, this is gorgeous. This is going for my Bohemian journal. And look at these little envelopes. Oh, these are so freaking precious. Best wishes, thinking of you and wishing you all life's best today. And she's even coffee dyed these, and she sent me some guest checks and some more ephemera, some cooking recipe cards. How fun. Look at these little envelopes. ¿Qué es esto? Pam, you did not. She shared some gorgeous playing cards with me. Oh, look how vintagey and gorgeous. Look at that windmill. Those are so cute. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Those are gorgeous. What a wonderful collection she has. Let's see what else we have here. We have some more. Look at these. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I don't know, Pam, but I think these look familiar. Okay, let's see what else we have. All right, next up. This one looks really fun. So let's go ahead and unbox that. I have used that in the past. Look at these wonderful fabrics. Like I said, this one, I think I want to use it for my Bohemian journal. Is that not gorgeous? And she shared a wonderful, generous amount with me. You are so sweet, girl. Virtual hugs, if I could do that. Oh, Pam, these are so cute. You are so sweet. Look at this. And another huge piece. Bless you. Look at this purple one. It even matches with that. That would be great for like if this was the front of the journal and this was like the lining on the inside. All right, I'm gonna set these aside and see what else we have in the box. Y'all will not believe this. Look at this, you guys. Okay, I don't want to mess this up because she packaged this so cute. Look at this. Look at this. I love how it's dripping out with lace. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, I literally just saw the inside like this and I just can't. Love how you did this. Okay, let me slip this out gently without ruining your beautifulness here. I have an idea of what these might be. They're like doilies, right? Like crocheted. They look crocheted. I love the crocheted look. Look at this fabric. Yumminess. And she shared some of this gorgeous lace. Are y'all seeing this? You're so sweet. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna tear it apart because I feel like she took time to do that. That is so gorgeous. And let's see, maybe I can slip this guy out. No, this don't say. I'm so sorry. Okay, let me see. I'll just show y'all like this, some little. It looks very, very cute. Moving on. Oh, love this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And the next one we got, she sent another book. The Winter Folk, and look at these little woodland creatures. He's reading, and he looks kind of miserable. Oh, it's a skunk. Maybe that's why nobody's sitting next to him. Old Saute store in Saute Nakuchi. Oh, I probably butchered that. If you're from there, I'm sorry. The Winter Folk. And let's see. Oh, you guys, this is so cute. I love that they look like hand-drawn. I myself love seeing people's hand-drawn photos, pictures, and stuff like that. Gorgeous book. Thank you so, so much, Pam. I love it. That is so me. And she sent some more fabrics to share with me, you guys. And look at these. So bright and pretty with got the polka dots here with the lime green. We have this one as well. She's shared 2 pieces of this paisley one with flowers and also some more lime greens and that wonderful teal. I don't want to miss anything else. Let's see what we have here. She also shared some burlap, which I love the look of burlap. They're great for putting on maybe the front of your journals, using them as burlap tabs. They're so fun to work with. I absolutely adore it, Pam. Thank you so much. You absolutely did not have to do that, but I greatly appreciate and love everything. This brought a smile to my face. You absolutely made my day. Thank you so much, my lovely friend. And I want to say thank you again for having entered into my postcard hidden giveaway. That was like the sweetest thing. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, please do not forget to go check out Pam. I'm sure y'all are very, very familiar with her because she's very talented and she's just very inspirational. Thank you guys so much for having come along and sending you virtual, tight, New Mexican warm hugs. I also want to thank you for having thought of me and for having put all of this together. You did such a lovely, lovely job. All right, you guys, y'all take care and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.